You ever get out of your car and it smells like your kid's gym socks? Well, we got a solution for that. So we picked up a K&N cabin filter. I've been using just replacement paper ones from Mopar for a long time. I thought we'd upgrade and try something different. It's supposed to collect more contaminants and have better airflow, but I want to see if it helps the stink in the car too, because it smells like my kid's socks in there. So let's get this installed today. Let's see what's inside the box. So it looks like for my specific vehicle, I have a Gladiator, Wrangler's Gladiators. They're gonna be in 2 pieces because when you get in there, the cabin filter kind of sits off to the side. So it must be for easier access to get them in there. That's why they did it that way. I'm assuming most people are one solid one. Should be a pretty straightforward install. Let's go out to the garage and get it done. All right, let's open up the glove box. All right, so we're just gonna lower the glove box down. There's gonna be a little lever here. Push up, you hear a pop, and it comes out like that. So there's a little support piece right here. We just kind of push back, and it drops this out. This is the panel we need to remove to get access to the cabin filter. So there's 2 little pieces right here. We squeeze together, and it unclips it, and we just pull it out. So it may be in a while for us to change this, so this may be dirty. I'm gonna pinch it together and pull it out. But you can see already there's leaves and just gunk. Look at that between it. Like, this thing really needed changed. All right, so you can see the new one versus the old one. We have the 2 pieces because you saw me earlier squish that off to the side to push it out. Can't do that really with thick rubber, so they made it 2 pieces. So let's get these new ones installed now. So the K&N logo is gonna face out because the other side's blank. We're gonna slide it in, push it over. Grab that second one, K&N logo faces out, slide it in. There you go. Clip that back into place. So we'll just get the glove box reinstalled and we're done. Push that back down, get that clip, push back, and you're done. I want to show you just up close at the cabin filter. That's why you think your airflow is not going well in the vehicle when the AC's on, or it smells a little funky. It's usually because of the cabin filter. I mean, just like look up close of how freaking disgusting this is. I mean, there was a leaf just sitting in it. It's just gross. We bought this vehicle a few months ago and this should have been replaced, but I'm kind of thinking now it hasn't been replaced. So I recommend everybody at least change the cabin filter, but if you want to upgrade something nicer, try the K&N. I'll link it down in the description below. Remember to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.